up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Shenanigans Show. Sorry it's been a little while. Been really busy. Bought a house. As you can see, I have a garage now. There's my son. But for those of you who don't know, Lucy, the SV650, I also have a BMW 325i, 87. I apologize, the lighting is really bad in here. But we're working on the BMW finally. I got today this box. Sorry about the trunk lid. It's not stock. Huh? No, not right now. We'll open the door in a minute. No, not yet. Not yet. But let's open this up. This is not fun to do with one hand. Okay. We are putting a new clutch in the E30. Comes with a tool. We also have over here, move this, I think it's in here actually. Rock Auto, if you want to sponsor, I've been buying parts from you. But the E30 needs work. We have a rear main seal that's leaking. I already have a clutch tool. So we have O2 sensor for the wife's truck, oil filter for the car. We have a rear main seal for the BMW. And the booklet, obviously. Because who doesn't need a Hans book for their car? So, we're currently ordering parts still. I have a clutch, I have the book, of the rear main seal, and we're moving to a single mass flywheel. And again, I apologize for the very bad lighting in here. But again, E30 parts. Oh, there's a little bearing down here. Clutch grease. Clutch. Pressure plate. If I can't get this up and out of the way. It's a Saks. And we have the bearing here. Feels really good. I accidentally ordered a clutch tool when I ordered the rear main seal a couple months ago. Not thinking about replacing the clutch when I do this. Oh man, that's really nice. That is super light too. But my friend Thomas was the one that told me to get a Saks clutch. We're going to a single mass from a dual mass flywheel. Rear main seal. So far the car already has iBox springs. It's got 19-pound injectors for the from the Mustangs. It's got the chip in the ECU. It's got a Ralco short throw shifter, and it has. I did do a catback exhaust system, but it's kind of crap. Catback exhaust, the front stock, obviously, cat. I went with two 12-inch basically glass packs and then straight piped all the way out. Can you move, please? Back up. Whee! So, again, we're starting work on the car. This isn't going to be a long video. I don't really have much else to say, but I've had her for 4 years. She had 98,000 miles on her when I bought her. And, oh no, I've had her for 5 years. Yeah, I've had her for 5 years. 98,000 miles when I bought her. We're roughly 140 to 150. The odometer, of course, if you know anything about E30s, they have plastic gears for the odometers, and they broke at 108,000 miles. So I couldn't tell you how many miles are actually on it, but, I mean, you know, stock interior, you can't really see because of the crappy lighting here. But like I said, it's got a Rocco short throw, stock seats, stock interior, complete stock interior. What? Huh? You want to open the door? Hold on. Not yet. But that's the end of the video. I did get a photo shoot done a couple weeks ago before COVID started. And I'm going to dump those pictures at the end of this video because I haven't done anything with them yet. I have another photo shoot coming up in a week from Sunday, I believe. And I'm going to try to record all of that. And I think that's really it. I do love this car though, and I'm glad to finally be getting work done on it. So, alright guys, that'll be it. Sorry it's a short one. Haven't been on here very much. This is still just a hobby for me, so life has been busy. But I have a new house, new garage, new work area. Finally, I've never had a garage. So, we'll see where this goes. Appreciate y'all. So I decided to record a little bit. So if you've never seen the underside of an E30, you got your drive shaft is up here. It's not mounted traditionally with an output shaft in the transmission. It has a flange. It's a two-piece transmission. You have a center balance right here. And then obviously your regular diff connection back there, which yes, I do have just a jack stand, but it's not that high. So this should be fun. So, what I'm doing here, I'm going to stick an extension on my socket through here to the back of this nut, or to the back of the bolt, and put a wrench on the back of this to break it loose, and do it 4 times. And then I should be clean from there. And then all I have to do is take out the center section and pull it away from the transmission. Hopefully. If not, I have to figure out how to get those other 3. So, wish me luck. Well, I got the drive shaft out of the back of the transmission. I got the centerpiece off. Drive shaft is stuck to the rear end. Should be enough to get the transmission out, to change clutch, flywheel, rear main seal, all that stuff. I'd like to get it all the way out to change that center bearing. So I'm working on that. But I'll show you the issue. Pardon the light. we are stuck back here. So I cannot get the drive shaft off of the rear end. But quick tip, when you're unbolting the rear end, that is not a nut, or that is not a bolt, that is a stud. Easiest thing to do, turn the rear end to the one you want, pull the e-brake, locks the back wheels, and you can undo that nut. Undo the e-brake, turn it again, lock the e-brake. It's not the quickest, but it's definitely the easiest instead of trying to put a wrench or something in there to hold the drive shaft in place. So, I mean, grinding the fuck out of my drive shaft. Being this way, I should be able to pull the transmission out in this position. Like I said, I want to pull the drive shaft off to replace that bearing right there. I don't think it's ever been replaced. It's still good for the most part. It's not making noise. But it might be something I want to replace. And this is what I was talking about. The drive shaft doesn't have an output, it's a flange. It's not an output shaft. Which is kind of a pain, but at the same time, it's really not that bad. Because that bushing right there takes a lot of vibration out. So we're gonna work on this, and I might try to get back to you. And she's out. What? You gonna come help me? Okay, come out here with me. Come out here and help me. Drive shaft's out. So, I think that's all I'm doing tonight. Drive shaft's out. Exhaust is off. Transmission has to come out next. I believe the transmission is fine. I don't think there's any seals bad in it. I do want to change the fluid in it. But that's exciting. That is exciting to me. So, alright guys, that makes a video. Still gotta edit this. Probably won't do it tonight. But that's it. I'm done for the night. I'm gonna put the drive shaft aside and wait for more parts to come in. So, thanks for watching. If you like these E30 videos, you want to see more of them, hit the like button. Throw me a comment if you want to. Do the most important thing, hit the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell. I'll see you all in the next one. So, before I end this video, for all that is holy, whatever God you believe in, please don't be dumb. Please don't be like me. This is not safe with just a jack. And I have jack stands under the front of it. But putting just a jack under your rear end to lift it up and then getting under it, not safe. I know there are going to be those comments, but I'm working with the one I got. So, alright. Peace.